Hey everyone, welcome to the Velour channel. Today I'll show you how to set up an Aternos server for Minecraft. Google Aternos, go to the site and click play. Log in with Google or register via email. Yes? You'll be signed in shortly. Click create. You can leave this as is. Click create again. Enter server. Here's our newly created server. Go to settings to adjust max player count. Game mode. Difficulty. Set server for cracked or licensed version. I'm setting it for cracked version. Whitelist, command blocks, flight difficulty, spawn protection. Yes. Need a resource pack? If so, you'll need to download it. Here's the time. Now go to Programs and choose a core. For mods, pick Forge. For vanilla, choose that. I'm selecting vanilla for version 1, 12.2. Rebooting the server. It's up now, running version 1, 12.2. I'm starting it up. This will take a bit, so I'll be back. Once it's loaded, I've got 6 minutes to join. I'll copy the IP, add it in Minecraft multiplayer, and we're set. Having issues with my username. I'll change it and reload. Fixed the setting, restarted the server, and I'm in now. That's all for now. This was Velour. Like and subscribe. See you later.